What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been too long. Today we're gonna go pick up a set of wheels that I've been hunting for a long time. Every time I see them on a Buick, a Monte, a G-body, I love them. And a set popped up for sale and I'm going to buy them right now. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's only about an hour ride to where we're going, but it's gonna be worth every penny and every second, because literally these wheels are something I've been hunting for years. I also found the same style wheels that I've been looking for, but rears only. So we're gonna go buy them too, because I'm gonna try to make two full sets. I'll have to locate some fronts, but I believe the fronts are gonna be easier because I can run different widths up front as opposed to the backs. Specifically looking for 15x8s with a 4-inch back spacing. That puts it perfectly in the center of a G-body's rear, so you can fit a 275 tire, that it's not too close to the frame rail and it's not too close to the fender lip. So I'm gonna go buy both of these, so I'll have 1.5 sets. My ultimate goal is to have a full set on the Buick for the Cecil event coming up here in September. If you guys don't know what that is, it's the Northeast Buick Regionals. It's at Cecil every year, except for last year because of COVID. But they have a MAGNA hosted car show. Anything Buick powered can enter. It's also an event that I like to race at every year as well. So my goal is to have these wheels on the car for that event. I gotta order some Mickeys, maybe some front tires, and get them on the car, get the car cleaned up and get it looking good, so I'm ready. Got that stack of cash. All right, so we picked up the rears. I'm not going to show you yet because I'm going to let the suspense build a little bit, but now we're going to go to my buddy's house who, like I said, I found out has a full set that we're going to go pick up. So like I said, my end goal is to make two full sets here, because if I can rock them for both the Monte and the Buick, I'd be a very happy man. There they are. Oh yeah, buddy. Those are it right there. They are sexy. And look, we're gonna get some front tires mounted on them. This is service with a smile.
No smiles.
No smiles, he said.
I guarantee there's no smile.
Yes. So this is gonna be easy. So I just have to get new Mickeys for the back, or have the ones I have on there dismounted and put on these. We're gonna have a sexy looking Buick in the next couple days here.
Start it up.
Super happy. So now we actually have a set of fronts and a second set of rears, which was totally awesome. And I got tires for the front. You just saw my buddy put on the tires and balance them at his house. So yeah, now it's just a matter of getting either the new drag radials or swapping the radials that are on the weld drag lights on the car now over to the new wheels here. They're gonna look so awesome. I can't wait. I'm kind of debating whether or not to have the shop swap the tires on so I can drive it like today, or just waiting for a new set of Mickeys to come in. But oh, I gotta get lug nuts. That's another thing I need. I need lug nuts. So there's a shop by me that sells lug nuts. They're not like the Pep Boy tuner styles. They're, you know, a wall of real lug nuts, if you want to call them that. So I need 20 12 by 1.5 for these wheels, Acorn style. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab them probably on my way home too. Centerline Telstars, they are sexy. In my opinion, the sexiest wheels you could put on a G-body that are 15s. If you go bigger, 17s, I like the Torque Thrust 2s personally, and that's what I run on the Monte. All right, guys, just stopped at my local parts store, picked up 20 lug nuts. I love this parts store. It's a mom and pop run shop, still in business for many years, and they seem to have everything I need. So they got 20 lug nuts I need to put the new wheels on. I'm gonna head home and probably slap the fronts on, and then maybe see if I can take the rears and get the Mickey Thompsons dismounted and put on. So well, that's up next. Got to put some gloves on, and I got a towel to wipe my face because it's about 110 in the garage right now, and I don't have the air on. I just came home, hurried up, and want to get these wheels off. Like 95 degrees out, and I'm in the shade. Oh geez. All right, fronts are on. Got to load up the boxes in the back of the trunk, and take it over to a local tire shop, see if they can swap over the Mickeys that are on there now to the new ones, and we'll be all set. Looks good so far. I'm not going to show you it. I know you saw me putting the lugs on, but I'm not going to show you until it's all done. I got the nice camera because I'm just on the GoPro now, so to be continued. What are you doing in here? Really? Garage is reading, yeah, 110. It's hot. I need to cool off for a little bit, and then we'll head up to the tire shop. All right, guys, we are back in the Buick. We got the fronts on the car. We're headed to the tire shop to see if they can squeeze me in to get the Mickey Thompsons off these drag lights and put onto the Telstars, and then it's gonna be done. I mean, I might polish the wheels up a little bit. Thinking of actually taking the car back home if they can do it. Clean the wheels up a little bit more, throw some tire shine on them, make them look good. And you know what? I'm gonna probably wash the car, then clean the wheels up some more, put some tire shine on it, make them look good, and then bust out the nice camera, do some sweet B-roll, some slow-mo, get it looking good so you can appreciate it a little bit more, because I know once they're done, they are gonna look phenomenal. I'm so excited. I've been looking for these wheels forever, and I finally found them thanks to Facebook Marketplace, as well as my buddy Paul. He was willing to sell me a set that he's had in storage for a long time. He didn't want to part ways with it, but he liked the money better than he liked the wheels. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, guys, that's it. She's done. Tires are all mounted and balanced. She is looking good. I'm not really going to show you because I want to take it home, get it cleaned up, throw some tire shine on these bad boys, and then get the good camera for some B-roll. So I think you guys are gonna like this. I'm super excited. This looks phenomenal. It's exactly what I've been wanting, and it's breathtaking almost. It's like a little kid at Christmas getting excited for a new set of wheels, but I'm not gonna show you. You might be able to see a little bit, but that's all you're getting to see. That's all you're getting to see. Oh guys, don't forget, you can get your American flag T-top vinyl decals. I'll post a link below. I don't make much on the decals, so if you want to order them, my Etsy link is in the description below. Go ahead, feel free to order. They fit any G-body with T-top, so keep that in mind. A couple guys have sent me pictures of their Montes and their Oldsmobiles, so they look good. I love it. It's the tattered American flag. Only comes in the satin black. That's it. That's all it comes in. I don't make it in any other color. It's only, that's flat satin, whatever you want to call it, but that's the only color I make it in. It's just, it's subtle. It doesn't pop too much. You have to actually be looking for it to see it. So get yours in the Etsy link below. Sorry, self-promotion. Enough of that. What's going on, guys? We're back. Truth be told, last night I came home and I crashed. I did not have any energy to do anything else, so I just backed the car in and just put it away. So this morning I got up, pulled it out, washed it up, cleaned the wheels up a little bit more, some tire shine on the tires. She's looking fresh. Got the T-tops off. We're actually gonna head to Cars and Coffee in Haddon Heights right now, and when we get there, we'll switch over to the good cam. So let's go get some gas, and then we'll head up to Cars and Coffee. All right, guys, here at Cars and Coffee in Haddon Heights, and we ran into Jeff of Zippity's Garage. I'll put his YouTube name channel on the bottom here. What's going on, Jeff? How are you?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good, man. Awesome looking car. He keeps this thing in phenomenal condition. This thing is beautiful. I haven't seen the engine, but I bet you can eat off the engine because this thing is beautiful, clean. Tell us a little bit about the car, because
Yeah, thank you very much. It's a 2004 Commemorative Edition ZO6.
Okay.
They only made about 2,024, I think was the exact number of these things.
Okay.
And they're starting to dry up. There's not many of them out there anymore. The big claim to fame...
I don't see them. I don't see them. I've seen one other one besides yours.
Yep. So like I said, they're when you see one, it's pretty special. The big claim to fame on this car is it was the first car built by General Motors to have a painted carbon fiber body panel. You know, nowadays in 2021, everything's got carbon fiber.
Yep.
You know, the hood on this car is actually made out of carbon fiber, but it is painted.
Nice.
And back in 2004, the only other car to have a painted carbon fiber body panel
Probably an import or like
was a Ferrari Enzo.
Okay,
So,
yep, there you go.
little different point of entry
Yeah,
place
exactly,
with this
exactly.
plastic Corvette. So.
No, yeah, that looks awesome, and you've got a worked motor in it.
Yep, Complete Street Performance has done a lot of work on it. It's more LS3 than it is LS6 right now.
Okay.
And you know, you mentioned the finish and how it looks, and that's a huge thanks to Nick out at Oaks Detailing in Westchester as well. They keep the car in perfect condition. They put the ceramic coat on, and then all I do is maintain it, just keeping it looking good.
I can tell it looks sharp, man. It
Thanks.
looks sharp, and he's working on a project on his channel. He's putting
C7 competition seats.
Yes,
Yeah.
and they match the interior perfectly. We're not going to show you because he's still in the middle of doing it, but I'll tell you this, it looks good right now. I like it. It flows well with the rest of the car, and I'm sure just the updated seats probably feel a little bit better.
Correct, absolutely.
Corvette seats, I remember being, they say back in the C5 days, or C5,
Yep.
That was one of the low points. It was the interior in general, right?
Absolutely. So yeah, that's coming up on the channel here. Probably this winter is going to be doing a complete interior redo on this car. Everything you touch and see will either be carbon fiber or leather.
Nice.
So it's going to be a updated interior. And nothing like throwing a whole bunch of money at a 17-year-old car, but what the hell?
You
That's
enjoy
what we
it.
do.
That's our passion,
Exactly.
right? You know, I mean, my '87 sitting over there and throwing money at it. It's what us car guys do. So.
Exactly.
But go check him out, Zippity's Garage. Get out and drive. Hopefully, you guys can see that. Jeff's a good dude. He's local to me, and hopefully, we'll do another collab video here soon and fly some drones, get some car footage. That'd be fun. So definitely go check him out.
Thanks, Jay.
All right, man. Thank you.
Yep.
my buddy just made 814 wheel with just injectors, boost, and intake and a tune. Crazy. Is it a coincidence it's next to the shitter? Love you, RJ. All right, Jeff. See you later, bud. All right, so that was good cars and coffee. Got to meet up with a couple buddies there. All right, let's throw the drone up in the air and see what these wheels look like from above. Let's put that footage right here. All right, guys, what a wonderful day. Beautiful weather, T-tops off, cruise to Cars and Coffee. Got to hang out with RJ, meet up with Jeff. Check out Jeff's channel below. He's mainly focused on Corvette content, but he does a lot of GM stuff as well. He just put out a video on the new CT5V Blackwing. Beautiful car, one of the first deliveries in the tri-state region. Took place the other day, and I'll link that video below as well. Go check him out, give him a follow. And hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the wheels and like them as much as I do. I am just drooling all over them. I can't stop looking at the car. I love it. But hey, if you made it this long, do me a favor, hit that like button below, hit that subscribe button. Helps grow the channel, shows me that you are enjoying the content, and drives me to actually make more videos. So I appreciate it. So until next time, me and my W4 with centerline tail stars, we'll see you later. Peace.